Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong love reading for January 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin niyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, Pisces, let's see your January love life for Pisces. Pisces. Strength. The devil. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, Pisces, you might be in a situation na medyo may temptation sa tabi-tabi, no? Oo, na nilalakasan nyo ang inyong loob para hindi kayo matempt. Pwede kasing merong a certain person that you are connecting with na meron pinopropose na tipo ng relationship na alam mo na hindi siya healthy, hindi siya maayos na relationship. Some of you po pwedeng nandun kayo sa point na parang nilalakasan niyo yung loob niyo para hindi kayo mapunta sa isang conflicted na situation. Okay? Marami kasing nagpo-pursue sa inyo. Oo. Pwedeng you are very attractive, tapos maraming temptation sa paligid. Either meron kang karelasyon, tapos yung person na yun wala. Or yung other person may karelasyon, ikaw wala. Pero may romantic connection na nangyayari. Or pareho kayo in a relationship. I see you going out with this person, or pwedeng in-imagine mo na what would life be with this person. Pero medyo mahirap nga yan. Syempre, we cannot judge anyone. Kaya lang, syempre, kung aware ka naman na this can be a relationship na pwedeng mapasok ka sa third party situation, conflicted relationship, complicated relationship, dapat aware ka sa mga consequences niyan. I need to be strong in who I am before I can merge my energy with yours in the 3D. I'm afraid I could lose myself in this relationship. Ayun, pwedeng pinipigilan mo yung sarili mo na ma-fall sa isang person na meron ng commitment sa iba. I've never felt love like this before. Nako, ayun na nga. Kasi pwedeng once in a ito yung first time mo na maka-experience na parang there's a certain deep connection with this person. May attraction talaga. And hindi mo na siya mapigilan. Please contact me. I may not respond, but knowing you care opens my heart. Parang iniiwasan mo. Oo. You're really trying your best na iwasan tong person na to. Alam nyo, hindi naman to mag-resonate para sa lahat. Okay? This is a general reading. And if it doesn't resonate with you, then hindi para sa'yo to. Okay? Ganun lang yon. Let's see ano pa. Merong communication may suyuan. Merong may ini-invite dito to go out, to have a vacation. I'm feeling controlled by people around me and I don't like it. It's pushing me to find my power again. Oo, minsan kasi nasa situation tayo sa relationship na medyo nagkakaproblema na, no? Pwedeng sa side mo, sa side ng other person. And sometimes, hinahanap natin yung fulfillment sa iba. And minsan nakikita natin yon, and nakala natin right love at the wrong time, pero it will just make things complicated kapag in-involve mo pa yung sarili mo sa ganyan. Okay, let's see. Where's this relationship going to? Of Cups, Page of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so I think hindi mo to mapipigilan. Eventually, papasok ka sa relationship na to, sa connection na to. Susubukan mo kung hanggang saan to makakarating. Lalo na kung itong person na to is someone na very nurturing, very caring. Oo, you may be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Someone who knows what you want. Someone na kayang ibigay yung pangangailangan mo. Even if meron ka ng ibang commitment or meron na rin siyang ibang commitment. I don't know, that's what I'm getting, Pisces. But of course, hindi to mag-resonate sa lahat. Kahit sa isa lang, pwede mag-resonate to. But I think, may possibility na itong relationship na to is maging successful at a certain period of time. But, January energy to. So, I think, hindi mo mapipigilan ang sarili mo. Yes. Lalo na kung itong person na to that you're dealing with is generous, no? Mapagbigay, mahilig sa regalo. Yes, you are really getting to know this person so well. Pwede rin may age gap dito, no? You're dealing with someone who's more mature, mas established na sa buhay. So, parang yung iba sa inyo, feeling nyo talaga, ngayon nyo lang naramdaman yung ganitong klaseng love. Na you are wanted, you are cared for, inaalagaan ka talaga. So, mahirap nga naman na tanggihan yung mga ganitong klaseng situation. But of course, depende rin kasi yan sa situation ninyo pareho. Lalo na kung may ibang masasaktan or merong ibang maaagrabyado. So, definitely I'm seeing a third-party situation or isang complicated relationship para sa iba sa inyo na pinipilit nyong iwasan, pinipilit nyo na i-resist, no? Napigilan yung sarili nyo. But, I think this January, you will fall for this person. Maaring you will, get yourself involved in this relationship. And who knows what will happen in the future. But I think at this point, gusto mo lang munang maramdaman yung kayang ibigay ng person na to. And yung love din na kaya mong ibigay dun sa person na yun. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Pisces. See you again.